By using apps like Uber or Lyft, you can turn your car into an income source. Sign up, get approved, and start driving. You decide when and where you drive, making it a flexible option. Apps like DoorDash, Postmates, and Uber Eats are always looking for delivery drivers. Sign up, complete a background check, and start accepting delivery orders. The more deliveries you make, the more you earn. Platforms like TaskRabbit connect people who need help with those willing to do the work. Create a profile, list your skills, and start earning by doing tasks that others don't have time to do. Websites and apps like Rover connect pet owners with pet lovers who are willing to take care of their furry friends. Set up a profile, list your services, and get paid to spend time with pets. Websites like Poshmark and eBay make it easy to sell items you no longer need. Just take some good photos, write a compelling description, and set a price. Websites like Cardpool or Raise allow you to sell gift cards that you won't use. Simply enter the gift card information, set a selling price, and wait for a buyer. Many banks offer bonuses for opening a new account. Research the best offers, open an account, and meet the requirements to earn your bonus. Websites like Survey Junkie or Swagbucks pay for your opinions. Sign up, start taking surveys, and earn rewards that can be redeemed for cash. To summarize, you have 8 methods to make money fast. Becoming a rideshare driver, making deliveries, helping others with tasks, pet sitting, selling clothes and accessories online, selling unused gift cards, earning a bank bonus, and taking surveys. Each method offers flexibility and the potential for quick earnings. So why wait? Start exploring these options today and begin your journey to financial freedom.